Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to bulk forward multiple emails in Gmail at once. Yeah, the full 2026 method. Google keeps changing things, so this updated workflow is the easiest way to forward a bunch of emails together without doing them one at a time. All right, first things first, go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account. Just use your regular email and password, nothing fancy here. Once you're inside your inbox, start selecting the emails you want to forward. You can click the little checkbox beside each message, or you can select an entire page of emails using the checkbox at the top. Pretty handy if you're dealing with big batches. So here's the trick. Gmail doesn't let you bulk forward directly, out of the box. But what you can do is group all your selected emails under one label. Just click the label icon up top and create a new label. Maybe call it something like forward. Next, we're going to set up a forwarding filter. Head up to the top right corner and click the little gear icon, then choose See All Settings. It'll open the full settings dashboard. Now go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab and click Add a Forwarding Address. Type the email where you want everything sent. Gmail might ask for a quick verification code, so yeah, just enter that when it arrives. Once your forwarding address is confirmed, head to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and create a new filter. In the Has the Words field, add the label name you created earlier. It's just something like Label Forward. Then just hit Create Filter, check the option that says Forwarded to, and select your email. And that's it. Every email under that label will now be forwarded automatically. If you add more emails to that label later, they'll be forwarded too, which is super useful for cleanup or backups. So yeah, that's the full 2026 guide on how to bulk forward multiple emails in Gmail at once. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.